Hey there, this is Reuven Lerner, and welcome to my virtual booth for PyCon APAC 2022. I actually was in Taipei, Taiwan about 3 years ago teaching a class there. Unfortunately, because of the COVID pandemic, we're still not quite as open as we would like, but I'm still super excited to participate and be a sponsor of this PyCon APAC, and to meet people from Asia Pacific who are excited about improving their Python skills. Because at the end of the day, that's what I do. I am a full-time Python instructor. I've been using Python for 30 years, and I've been teaching it for more than 20. And I teach courses every day in different cities, for different companies, in different countries all around the world. If your company has employees who need to learn Python fast, I can help there with all sorts of courses from Intro Python and even Python for non-programmers, all the way up to advanced courses for people who have experience and want to improve their skills, write more idiomatic, faster code, and improve their debugging skills. If you're using Python for data science and machine learning, I can help you there as well with courses on NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. My clients include companies like Apple, Cisco, IBM, Intel, and Western Digital. And I don't use slides. My courses are highly interactive. I use Jupyter all the time. I expect people to ask me questions, to challenge me. And of course, I give lots and lots and lots of exercises. If you're not a big company, that's okay. I work with lots of small companies and startups too. And I even work with individuals thanks to many, many video courses that are available, from Python for non-programmers to my intro Python courses, talking about data structures, talking about functions, talking about modules, talking about objects. I also have advanced courses in data structures and objects. I also have courses in Git and NumPy and Pandas. In short, if you as an individual or a small company or a big company want to improve your Python skills, I am sure that I have something that is appropriate for your needs and your level. And I'm here at my booth to answer your questions. I look forward to getting your questions. I look forward to answering. And if I'm not here for whatever reason, please, please, please send me email, reach out. I would be delighted to answer them as soon as I'm online. Thanks so much for visiting my booth, and I hope to see you here at PyCon APAC 2022 and all around online. See you soon.